on, guys? It's Cuckoo Bird Vlogs, and I'm going to be showing you our cat that's at our farm. That I called it a muskrat or something in the treehouse video. So let's get into this. So there she is. She is following me. She knows how to sit. Hey, sit, 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 sit. She doesn't know how to sit. I don't know what type of cat she is. This kid, that's our cousin that helps my dad, found her and saw her in like a cornfield or something. And then she was just a little kitten, so someone probably just dropped her off. She's chasing me. She looks fat, but she's pretty skinny. She just has so much hair. Now she's rubbing me. I kind of don't. I kind of like when she rubs me, but then I kind of don't. She just keeps chasing me. She's like a dog. Joking. She's a dog. She's not a cat. She's not she's not a cat. She's just a dog, obviously. Oops, I stepped on her toe. She's a cat. It's pretty obvious. Yeah.
Are you ready?
Okay, yeah. Okay, I have to end the video here. So, bye. There's the cat.